Exercise 1.
Dumbbell Zottman curl trains both biceps and forearms by curling up with a supinated grip, then lowering with a pronated grip. Keep elbows close to your body, lift under control, and rotate wrists smoothly at the top. Lower slowly to maximize eccentric forearm work. This method builds peak biceps strength and thick forearms while improving grip stability and overall arm control.
Exercise 2.
Dumbbell squatting concentration curl focuses entirely on the biceps by sitting in a squat, bracing elbow against the thigh for full isolation. Keep torso still, curl slowly, and squeeze at the top for maximum contraction. Avoid swinging to prevent momentum. Controlled reps keep tension in the biceps, enhancing shape, peak height, and strength while eliminating assistance from shoulders or back muscles.
Exercise 3.
Dumbbell incline single spider curl works biceps from a stretched position on an incline bench. Let arm hang vertically, curl upward slowly, and keep elbow fixed. Avoid using shoulder movement. The incline angle increases tension at the bottom, boosting muscle, stretch, and contraction. Great for enhancing the biceps peak and building strength through a long range of motion without trap involvement.
Exercise 4.
Dumbbell cross-body hammer curl hits brachialis and brachioradialis for arm thickness. Curl dumbbell diagonally across the body toward the opposite shoulder with a neutral grip. Keep elbow close, avoid swinging, and control both lift and descent. This grip strengthens forearms while adding width to the upper arm, supporting balanced biceps development and improving grip power for overall upper body strength.
Exercise 5.
Dumbbell concentration curl, classic isolation for biceps peak. Sit with elbow pressed into inner thigh. Curl slowly without moving upper arm. Focus on squeezing at the top, then lower under control for constant tension. Avoid rushing reps to maximize pump and growth. This strict form prevents shoulder help, making every rep pure biceps work for strength and definition.
Exercise 6.
Dumbbell prone incline crawl targets biceps with body face down on an incline bench, arms hanging straight. Curl upward, keeping elbows still and avoiding shoulder lift. This position removes body momentum and fully isolates the biceps. Controlled reps stretch at the bottom and squeeze at the top for optimal growth. Ideal for isolating arms without lower back strain or trap involvement.
Exercise 7.
Dumbbell biceps curl. Fundamental move for overall biceps growth. Stand tall, curl dumbbells upward with palms facing forward, elbows fixed at sides. Avoid swinging or leaning back. Squeeze biceps hard at the top, then lower slowly for maximum tension. This builds size, strength, and endurance while reinforcing proper curl mechanics for more advanced arm exercises.